So in this video we're going to do a little bit of a transformation of this yard. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough, and then towards the end of the video, which is literally just like a minute away, you'll see kind of the progress of what like 2 to 3 days has done to this yard. As you can tell, it's a lot of dead trees. You can hear like the crunching as I step. A lot of dead leaves, a lot of dead like tree branches. There's a lot of cardboard, there's a lot of plastic. And most of all, there are a ton of like weeds. So I'm pretty sure there's like a platform right there. It has to be uncovered. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure there's like a bunch of other things here, but you see all this like plastic, like a broken trampoline. There used to be a good working trampoline there, but not anymore. So it's a lot of work, you know, like it's not a small task. See, this is what a nice yard should look like. It should be relaxing, it should be welcoming. Hi. Hi. Are you helping mommy? Yeah. Oh, good job. You deserve a big promotion. Yeah. You hear that, mommy? More treats. Here's this. The debris. A gigantic hole. Nice lemon tree. So you see how we kind of have like piles going on? Little pile, little pile. Trying to separate the cardboard with the plastics and stuff to like throw it away. But a little bit of progress. We've uncovered steps. Nice pathway. Oh, you look nice on camera with the cloud.